name is Rayson and I'm from Paquito Fix. Start with the saddle. This is a physics copy. And on the seat post, data 0. Seat clamp is the project. My drivetrain is an Omnium. So my gear ratio is 48:16. I have a KMCZ. My wheel sets, Mish Pistards 32-24. Paired with Continental Grand Sport Race anti-puncture. In my cockpit, I have a Data Zero. I paired it with my seat post. My bars are my favorite one, the Nito Shred 750mm. And my top cap is I ordered it from Shopee. My grips are Supaka's neon yellow lock-on grips. For my paddles, I have a Shimano R550. So for my frame set, I believe this is from 2015. Released by, a collaboration with the project and Kiko Escora and also Team Manila. They released this, the project Jeprox, which is a very pursuit frame. I find it unique since Ford is a stock Jeprox also. This is the original paint. My headset is also the project. Also, these spacers are the project also. I've been riding Fix for 6 years already. Sa span sa 6 years, nasa yung mga crashes, kanang learning how to skid. Grabe yung disgasyan, ay mutubod. You have to learn how to skid yun. Basically, skidding is the most important thing para makapahunong kasi mong bike if wala kay foot retention. Later on, foot retention mo develop naman sa gyapon na nimo. Kanang magsige ka ride og fixie. So, akong daily struggles riding Fix. Number 1 gid is kanang mga motor. Malikayan nagiuban ka ng sulpot or kalit. Taxi siguro kanang muhunong lagalit. Sa una katong wapay quarantine, wapay pandemic kanang jeep. Ay mo disgasyan na kanang may mga pedestrians mulabang. So if mo ride ka Fix, you have to learn how to skid gid kanang skid hop, skid whip, para emergency brakes ba. Di kaso lag. So kung masulti sa gear cylinder sibo, mura nag-low key ra siya. Pero makabantay yun kay kanang guan. Ang butan lang commuter ka, kita ka ganang mag-ride og Fix. The number 1 siguro nimong makuha mo attention kay kanang guan gid ba kanang think easy agad kay why cables, why brakes. Simple gyud siya aesthetic wise, grabe ka simple.